This video will present a real-world example of an Agentforce project focused on compliance agents across 4 use cases, specifically for pre-sales activities. We are looking at an opportunity in the CRM system, specifically detailing the, quote, Agentforce Compliance Agents 4 Use Cases project. The description highlights the 4 use cases for an investment advisory firm, automated books and records for client meetings, institutional investment policy statement monitoring, AI washing protection, and KYC and institutional onboarding orchestration. Next, we engage with the Agentforce AI for pre-sales, asking it how it can simplify the workday and help. We ask the agent to retrieve the details of this opportunity, which it promptly provides, confirming the key information about the project. Based on the details, we ask the agent to propose a list of potential scopes of work to present to the customer. The agent breaks down the potential scopes, starting with the automated books and records post-meeting wrap-up agent, which aims to streamline post-meeting compliance and documentation. The second use case is the institutional investment policy statement monitoring agent, an autonomous portfolio auditor. Its goal is to ensure portfolio alignment with client IPS and regulatory standards. Third is the AI washing protection agent, a content compliance guardrail, which protects the firm's reputation by ensuring marketing materials meet compliance standards. The final use case is the KYC and institutional onboarding orchestration agent, a digital onboarding coordinator designed to streamline and automate the KYC process for institutional clients. Following the scope suggestions, we instruct the agent to create a new, quote, record under this opportunity. We are now viewing the new, quote, record, specifically the scope and assumptions section, where we will detail the work. We ask the agent to populate the new quote with the previously suggested scopes of work. The agent starts adding the suggested scopes to the quote, detailing items like design, development, and testing for the post-meeting wrap-up agent and IPS components. The agent continues to add scopes related to the post-meeting wrap-up agent, IPS, portfolio data integration, and compliance rule engine development. More scopes are added, covering KYC and onboarding process analysis, Salesforce data model, automated workflow, and user acceptance testing, among others. For each scope item, the agent has suggested a level of effort, or LOE, measured in hours, and defined the complexity level, in this case medium. We can scroll down to see the LOE for the remaining scope items, all categorized as medium complexity. By clicking into a scope item, like integration with Agentforce and content workflows, we can see the detailed effort breakdown by role, phase, and specialty, including effort hours. We can also review internal notes for a scope item, such as compliance rule engine development, which detail the design steps and logic for implementing compliance checks. The notes provide necessary context for the development work. Hovering over the internal notes will display a tooltip with these details. Now we ask the agent to calculate the capacity needed, which it determines using your existing defined roles. The agent generates a list of roles and the corresponding hours required for the project. To get a rough order of magnitude estimate, we can apply a predefined system blended rate to the calculated capacity. This system presents available staffing rules and blended rates for selection. We select the appropriate blended rate to apply to this project quote. Finally, we ask the agent to retrieve the rough estimate, allowing for an instant dollar value response to the customer. In this AI-driven world, we can efficiently respond to the customer's question, how much these 4 use cases will cost me at a high level. Thank you for watching this video.